couple of weeks ago, we wrote about 7 special edition Hondas that money cannot buy. Honda Malaysia is running a 1 Million Dreams campaign where they are giving away 7 cars worth a total of 1 million ringgit. And the reason they are doing this is because Honda Malaysia is fast approaching the milestone of having 1 million cars officially sold in Malaysia. So, 7 1 Million Dreams special edition models. What's different? Well, on the surface, all of them sport this two-tone exterior paint job, which is of course made up of a black roof, white body. You have a bunch of sporty red accents on the wing mirrors, the front, and even the wheels, and obviously the branding. 1 Million Dreams Special Edition. There are many ways that you can go about winning one of these Honda cars, from something as simple as downloading an app and playing a game to purchasing a brand new Honda. But some cars, well, there are certain extra requirements or conditions to win. For example, this Honda Jazz is reserved for participants who only work as frontliners. Additionally, some of the models are reserved only for Honda's campaign partners. If you want to win the HRV, the only way you can do so is through Shopee. For the BRV, you can win it by participating with Watsons. And the City is the only way you can win that is through Cuckoo. Inside every one of these 1 Million Dreams Special Edition Hondas, you'll find just a few extras that differentiate them from the standard model. So you have red stitching on the steering wheel, you have the logo embossed on the headrests, and as well you have one little label on the dashboard. Now, they're not much, but hey, at least Honda is not trying to sell you these cars. They are giving it away for free. At nearly 200,000 ringgit, the Honda Accord is the most expensive car that you can win in this 1 Million Dreams campaign. And personally, I think this is my favorite because, I mean, blacked out grille, blacked out wheels, they look very aggressive, very sporty, and of all the 7 cars here, I think the red accents here are probably the most tasteful. Although the single red spoke, well, let's just say that's an acquired taste. But enough about what I like. Tell us what you like, tell us which of these 7 cars you want to win in the comments below.